Want to make your walls look like they've been painted by a pro without spending a fortune? Stay tuned because today I'll show you simple painting tricks that instantly upgrade your space. Welcome back. In this video, we're diving into DIY wall painting tricks that anyone can use, whether you're refreshing a room or giving your home a new personality. These tips will save you time, money, and frustration. Simple definition: DIY wall painting tricks are smart techniques that help you achieve smooth, stylish, and professional-looking walls at home without hiring painters. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Clean and prep the wall. Wipe away dust and patch any small cracks or holes with filler. Step 2. Tape edges carefully. Use painter's tape to protect trims, sockets, and skirting boards. Step 3. Use a primer. A thin coat ensures the paint sticks evenly and lasts longer. Step 4. Apply the first coat in vertical strokes, then smooth out with horizontal strokes. Step 5. For accent walls, try geometric tape designs or sponge techniques to add texture. Step 6. Finish with a second coat for durability and even coverage. Tools explained. You'll need a roller, an angled brush for corners, painter's tape, a drop cloth, sandpaper, primer, and, of course, your chosen paint. A paint tray and extension pole can also make the job easier. Quick tips: always work from top to bottom. Keep your roller slightly damp for smoother application. Remove painter's tape before the paint fully dries to avoid peeling. Cost comparison: hiring professionals can cost around $150 to $300 per room. Doing it yourself often comes down to $50 to $80, depending on the paint quality and tools you already own. That's a big saving for almost the same finish. Mini workflow: prepare the wall, tape edges, prime, apply paint with rollers, detail with brushes, add a second coat, and remove tape before drying. Professional notes: don't rush the drying process between coats. Good ventilation speeds up drying and keeps fumes manageable. Always test your paint color on a small patch before covering the whole wall to avoid surprises. So remember, prep your wall, tape carefully, use a primer, apply paint in smooth strokes, and finish with creative tricks for texture or design. If you found these painting tricks helpful, hit like, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more smart DIY home upgrades. And let me know in the comments which wall painting trick you're excited to try first.